Hi, today you will learn how to crop video in Kdenlive. So first we need to add here the video which we want to use. So I go to project bin. It is very important to open this tab and I click double time on this field to add a new video. After that I select video which I want to import. So for example I select this one video and I click OK button. After that I select here transcode and I drag and drop this video to my timeline, maybe somewhere here. Then if I want to crop this video, I need to go to FX tab and on search field I need to type something like crop. You will find here something like crop, scale and tilt. It is very important to select this option and we need to drag and drop this option to our timeline to our video. After that we need to click on our video and on FX and composition stack settings we will find this one effect. And here you can click on this one option to use effect zone. Then you will be able to select one from available options. For example, you can crop this video from the left by increasing this value, and you can crop it right by increasing this value. Yeah? Of course, you can crop it from the top or crop it from the bottom if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to adjust crop effect in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.